Students, in this video we are going to discuss about test case. What is test case and the test plan? Test plan. Yes, planning is essential for any kind of activity. Before we start any work, first we have to plan for it. Same thing happens in testing also. Testing usually starts with the test plan and hence with acceptance testing. Acceptance testing that will be done by the customer. Ultimately, customer has to accept the software product, so that will be done by the customer. So testing activity that starts with test plan and ends with acceptance testing. So test plan usually what it indicates, what it usually contains: test cases, and it will contain the list of test cases and approach, what criteria to be used and when to stop, how to evaluate, overall the planning of testing activity, and the test deliverables. Test deliverables means after successful completion of each test case or testing activity, as obviously the tester has to produce the document. So document is also kind of deliverables. Schedule. Schedule means time schedule, at what time the testing activity should be completed, when it has to be started, when it should be start and when it should be end, everything. And start time and end time of each testing activity. Task allocation, who has to perform the testing activity. So this is task allocation. So this is overall test plan. Test. This is the example template, test case template. Test case, uh, before going before understanding the test case, first let us start with an example. Suppose assume the software product is a calculator. As you know, calculator performs arithmetic operations. So how to test that software product? By using this test case. Suppose test data is uh, let us take 5 and 3. So test data is 5 and 3. Condition to be tested: yes, I want to test the addition procedure. Condition to be tested: assume that I am going to test the addition procedure. Sequence number is 1. Condition to be tested: addition. Test data 5 and 3. Expected result means before performing testing activity, you should know the expected result. 5 3. Condition to be tested is addition, so expected result is, it should be 8. Expected result is 8. After testing the calculator, if I get the same result, that is actual result. After executing the software, after executing the calculator, if I get the same result, that is 8, so test is success. Suppose expected result is 8 and actual result is 5, so test is failure. So this is the test case. Test case is simply a specification about particular condition. It's a specification of the particular condition. Condition, it can be any conditions in program, or any procedure, or any task in software product. So this is a simple format of test case. It is a specification of the testing activity. So test case, a set of test inputs and execution conditions designed to exercise software unit or feature in a particular manner. So test case should also specify both actual and expected output. See, expected output and actual output. So test case should contain expected output and actual output. Then only we can decide whether the test case is success or failure. So collection of a group of related test cases is called as test suite. Test suite means very simple. A group of a collection of related test cases, we call it as test suite. Test case means it is a specification of test data, expected result, actual result, and the result of the test case. So this is the test case. Test case usually contains test data, expected result, and actual result. So why do we need a test case? To test the software product whether it is working uh, as per the requirements or not. Okay. So test cases are widely used in testing process. Thank you.